stop filling the columns and rows by dragging the cells. Hello, welcome back to Ben Academy. In this video, I want to teach you how to fill a column or a row with a specific pattern without dragging the cell. Let's go directly to the file. Here, if you want to write a sequence of data, like one by one, writing 1, 2, 3, you know, it's very basic that you can use fill handle and choose fill series like this, or you can give Excel a pattern by writing the first two items and dragging with fill handle downward. These are the things everyone knows in Excel, but if you want to fill this column until suppose 2000, you want to drag, and suddenly you will understand that, oh, it's passed, it's more than 2000. You should find the 2000 and delete the remaining part. So stop using this and stop doing it. And there is another option in Excel to do this without annoying yourself. You should only write the first item of the sequence and then going to Home tab, Editing Part, Fill, and Series. Its name is Fill Series, and after choosing it, you will see a window here. You can fill the data in a row or in a column. There's no difference. The method is the same. I will choose column here because I want to fill it in a column. I will explain all the types, but in this specific case, I want to increase the data one by one. So linear type is the desired case in this specific example. Step value can be used more than one. Here I want to select one, and I want to fill until 5,000. So it's filled. Very easy. Okay, so you can also do this. There's two ways. I will explain it for you. Until 500. You can see that it's filled with an increment of 5, and it's stopped here before passing 500, and it's avoided to pass the final value you set. In another way, you can select the area you want to fill and then choose fill series like this. And if you select 4, there's no need to set a stop value. You can do it, but if you don't mention the stop value, it will be filled until the end of the area you have specified. If you define a final value for the selected area, it will be filled until the end of area if it couldn't pass the stop value. Suppose here it can be continued until 65 if I choose the same step as 4. If I write here stop value as 50, you can see that it's filled until 49. So you can do both according to your specific example you're working on. There are another type of data in the fill series like this: growth, date, and autofill. I will explain them for you. For growth, it's according to the multiplication. The previous one that we did and we chose was linear, and it's related to adding and subtraction. But if you want to multiply a value with another item like this, suppose 2 should be multiplied by 3, and then the results multiplied by 3 again, you should select these items, growth and step value 3. I don't want to set a stop value because I selected a small area, and you can see the final amount here. Every single cell is the result of multiplication of above cell by 3. You can find it easily with checking the results like this. All of them are multiplied by 3. And you can also choose another step value like this. You can see that every single cell is multiplied by 0.2. Another type of data you can work is date here, and it's really useful in preparing a worksheet or timetable. If you choose 1 December 2025, you can fill it according to the criteria, according to the pattern you like. You can increase the days 1 by 1 or more than 1, 2 by 2. Suppose it's the 1st of December, the next item would be 3rd of December if you choose this item like this. You can also fill it with increasing the weekdays only and ignoring the weekends 1 by 1, or even you can also select a day and ignore another day. Let's say now all the weekdays. You can see here that 6th and 7th of December is ignored here. If you check the days of the week here by writing this formula text of this date with this format DDD, that is the day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and here it's Monday. So Sunday and Saturday are ignored here. Again here, Saturday and Sunday are not written. It's interesting if you work on working days but choose the value, step value more than 1. If you choose it as 3, you will see that in some cases here, after Friday, it's Wednesday, because after Friday we have Saturday and Sunday that are ignored because they are not working days. In sequence, if you mention them 1 by 1, after Friday is Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So 3 days after Friday is Wednesday because weekends are ignored. And you can also see some interesting things like this. If you choose it as 7, you will see that all the days are Mondays. It was obvious, but we wanted to check the abilities of Excel. Let's do another thing. But if you choose weekdays here and set it as 7, take care, because weekends are missed and every week has 5 days. So if you choose 7 days, don't surprise that after Monday is Wednesday, because only weekdays are selected here. And again, in the next week, 2 days are jumped forward, and after Wednesday it's Friday. So it was interesting. And there are another option, like as you may saw here, is autofill. Autofill is an item like this. There's a pattern you will select, and some of cells in the selection area are empty. In this case, autofill will distinguish the pattern and will fill the remaining parts. It's like fill handle working. And but it doesn't work for the cases with multiplication like this. If you choose autofill, you will see that the results are not the same you expect. So it's only valid for the linear cases. And there is another option. You can use it for values like this: trend, growth. Okay, you will see that it's again multiplied by the same value we chose. So I think I described all the values. The month and year are obvious. You can see that if you choose 1st of December and fill series and then choose month year, 1 by 1, every month will be written here, but the first day of those months. And if you can also jump and ignore some months by setting the step value more than 1. Let's say 3. You can see December, March, June, September, and it's different sequence as you specified here. As I told, this option can be used in the cases you want to fill a big worksheet and you want to prepare extremely big data. Maybe in some short tables, you will prefer to use fill handle again, but in a big data, as I showed you in the beginning of this video, it's much better and faster if you use fill series. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow the other videos in our page. See you.